guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I said I was gonna post a makeup tutorial soon, and so this is it. I know you read the title. And if you don't follow my Instagram because that's where I post updates for my upcoming content, especially for YouTube. Anyway, I just want to show you guys like my everyday makeup routine, I guess. This isn't exactly what I do every day, but this is the basis of what I do on an average day. Sometimes I go for a more alternative look, sometimes I go for a more natural look, and sometimes I want to have like that full glam look, but I feel like this is kind of a median, you know? Okay, I'm not going to keep talking your ears off. I'll be using a voiceover to show you guys the step-by-step of my makeup routine. So let's get into it.
This is my bare face. I know it's so unbelievably gorgeous, but we're still gonna accessorize that, okay? Never skip over your moisturizer. It creates a barrier that will protect your skin from any harsh chemicals that might be in your makeup products. Plus, makeup isn't gonna stick to dry skin. I am now coming in with my e.l.f. primer, which minimizes pore visibility and gives your makeup something to latch onto. I look like a Grow Sisters cosplay right here. Like, it just looks ashy. Now I'm coming in with my eyebrow pomade as a light outline for the following products. I like to go darker on the tail and lighter on the inner brow so it looks more natural. Also, if you make any mistakes and go outside of your natural eyebrow shape, that's okay. Just use your spoolie to clean that up a little bit. Now I'm using my black makeup pencil to fill in the tails of my brows and then also draw a light line for my underbrow. I'm blending upwards just to make sure that the fade looks really good here. If you're like me and you want that microbladed eyebrow look, use your liquid eyeliner to fill in the tail of your eyebrow. And we want this to be sharp enough to be able to literally cut someone, okay? I'm just using the spoolie to clean everything up again. Now pay attention to my concealer placement. This helps with brightening your face and making certain features pop. The shade I'm using is definitely more light than I'd like, but I paid for it and I don't have anyone to give it to, so here we are. This is my Revlon concealer. I have dark spots, so my goal is to cover those up and even out my skin tone. While there is nothing wrong with having a naturally uneven skin tone, the foundation also overpowers the ashy look that concealer on its own might leave behind. I literally got this setting spray from Dollar Tree. Like, you don't need expensive products in your daily rotation. Using a damp beauty blender is super helpful because it allows you to actually blend the products into your skin without the sponge just absorbing everything. I'm only blending in my foundation right now because I'll be blending in my concealer with makeup brushes later. This liquid blush is my favorite shade. It matches my skin tone and the pigmentation is just top tier. I put too much on my nose, but baby, I'm gonna make it work. Pat that into your skin, don't just drag it. It's finally time to get rid of that bright concealer, so I'm blending it with a damp brush. I'm patting and slightly dragging the brush at the same time. Blend in the shape of an upside down triangle under the eyes, half a circle on your chin, and just follow the lines for your nose and under your eyebrows. Blend some of the excess concealer into that space in between your eyebrows. I kind of messed up the tail of my eyebrow, so I'm just filling that in with my eyeliner again. But I just want to say, my underbrow concealer literally takes me the longest to blend. Like, I know that your eyebrows are in the way and you're trying not to hit them and stuff, but like, oh my god, this literally takes me forever. This is my base so far, but I realized I wanted more of a red looking blush, so I'm using this red eyeshadow. I try to find multiple uses for products I hardly ever use, and this is one of them. Now, using your cleanest brush, not sponge, try to blend the barriers where your blush, concealer, and foundation meet. I find that this method makes everything appear more natural, allowing each individual element to work together as a unit. I'm always finding new uses for this ColourPop Wannabe Pressed Powder Palette, so I'm using the color Beezy to contour my nose and cheeks. I try to follow the natural shape of both because my goal is to enhance my features and not change them. Okay, but I must admit my side profile is giving. Even though I started off by blending my nose contour with my fingers, I'm still using this clean brush that I told you guys about before, just to blend that barrier between the contour and the rest of my makeup there. Using the same ColourPop palette, I'm using the shade Sweet Much to do my highlighter. I feel that adding highlighter to my Cupid's bow makes any shiny lip product stand out more. I'm blending with that clean brush again, but I'm also using my fingers just to spread out the product. I honestly don't have a signature lip combo, I just use whatever I'm feeling like in the moment, but today I'm obviously using my brown lip liner, and I'm just lining the perimeter of my lips. I'm rubbing my lips together to spread out the product a bit. This is my Paris Hilton lip plumper. It came with the set that I got for Christmas, so I can't say exactly where you can get it, but I love this product so much. Anyway, this is my face before I put my lashes on, and this is after. Yes. I did not put my lashes on camera simply because I'm not good at that yet, but after doing my hair and stuff, I was feeling so pretty. Like, look at me.
I'm literally not going anywhere. It was honestly a waste of makeup, but it's okay because it was for you guys. It is 11:24 p.m. I'm just gonna make some TikToks and call it a night. Thank you for making it this far in my video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, be sure to follow me on other socials. That's where I advertise for the stuff I'm gonna post on here. Let me know what type of content you guys want to see in the future. I'll try my best to get that to you guys. And I'm doing my best to try to post more consistently on my channel, so I have a new video coming out for you guys soon. Stay tuned for that. Love you, bye.